Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Friday, December the 21st, 2018. And many traders, I'm sure, were glad to see this week come to an end, and we're going to review the week as well as Friday. But before we get into that, I just want to let you know that Trade Ideas has put on a nice Christmas sale where you can save 25% on their software. Here's the link right here. That'll be in the YouTube comments for you to go to, and all you have to do is put in Holly Christmas 25 and you can save 25% on any package we have. You can buy it by the month or by the year. You can get the standard package or the premium that has Holly and all the bells and whistles. So we certainly hope you will join us in owning this software. Now for a quick look at the markets, and we're going to go ahead and start with IWM. And you can see here, it went down all week long. You can see here on the weekly candle, if you look at the last couple of weeks, it's just been a very, very, pretty much a falling knife situation. If you just look at it there, and we have breached, new lows for 2018 in all of the major indices that we follow. So very, very rough week for all the markets. A lot of indecision going on. A lot of things, the market didn't like as far as the Jerome Powell statement, etc. And we can look here at the Qs, and you can see we closed nearly at the low, especially for the week, and once again that is a low for the year. So very, very rough in the Qs. The diamonds, take a look. Same story. 5 big red candles. With the Christmas holiday coming up, there just doesn't seem like there was any buyers at all in the marketplace today, and the free fall continued. You can see closed just about at the weekly low there. Might as well say at the weekly low, and the spiders. And there you have it yet one more time. And so just a very, very rough week all around. We'll go ahead and take a quick look at Holly, see how Holly did throughout all this. And Holy Grail had 17 trades, lost 70 cents. And for the risk one, she lost 39 cents. Now in there, was there a good trade or not? Well, let's take a look. We had DO, the 5-day bounce. And she got in here. She got out for a timed exit, made 23 cents. But you can see there was actually a little bit more on there. So had you sold, as it started coming back down, now keep in mind these are 15-minute candles, or you had a second chance there to make a little bit more money. But had you held till the end of the day, 19 cents. And we had a short I, and you can see here she actually lost 61 cents. Once again, she got in this one early as the markets were still going up, because if you looked at the intradays, up till about 10:30 we were headed north, and then we took the turn south at about that point. But once again, had you gotten back in that trade or stayed in it, there was 78 cents. And had you bought at the high of the day, obviously there was over $1.30, close to $1.40 in it. So, nice trade there from Holly. Holly 2.0 had 14 trades, $1.27 profit, risk on 254. Now let's see if there's a nice trade in there. We had a short TCMD, and you can see the daily, it's been running down, and you can see here she got in here. She got out for a timed exit for 57 cents. Had you held till the end of the day, you had $1.21, and that looks like that was the best trade in both categories. And let me go ahead and move this up here. And just as a quick reminder, here, if you if you want to follow me on my blog, You can do that at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, we'd sure appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to these on YouTube, down here at the bottom right, we'd appreciate if you do that as well. Back to Holly Neo here. 10 trades for a profit of $1.04. Risk on was a loss of $1.83. And let's see what we had in here. We had a long trade GCO, and you can see she got in at here. She got out here for a profit save of 87 cents. And then as the markets pulled back, the trade went south as well. You would have lost 44 cents had you held till the end of the day. And CG, a short, was her best risk on. She got out for a reduced risk of 42 cents, but then the trade kicked in. Had you held till the end of the day, you would have made 52 cents. So once again, want to remind you about that Christmas sale. So hope you join us with that. And I want to thank you for watching, and God bless and Merry Christmas.